Hello, good evening. This is John Ruman, international business coach and consultant and fourth degree master black belt in the martial art of Taekwondo. I'm coming to you tonight about the Women's Self-Defense Workshop, which starts in about a week and a half on the 30th. That workshop has been sold out, so hey, good to see you, Linda. So for those that are registered and paid for that, thank you. I will see you in a week and a half. Because of the strong demand for this course and the overflow that we had to create a second event. So this is going to be posted on both of the events. So the second event will be the same location in the Remax Real Estate Group office in St. Augustine. This will be on the 14th, which is also a Sunday. So if you're watching this for the 30th, it's on the Sunday. So is the event on the 14th. We will be doing a confidence building and making you feel awesome and powerful and amazing. Good to see you. And in addition to that, we'll also be spending the majority of our time on a self-defense workshop. What is the intent of that? The intent is to give you some key components which will help you become more self-aware, which will make you stand out as less of a victim, to have a way of walking and presenting yourself that the world knows that you're there. People who are invisible to the world are the people who are more likely victims. So we will create a presence that you can have that will minimize the chance of you actually becoming a victim. Okay, so Tanner, good to see you, brother. So besides that, we'll also be going over actual techniques which you can use for different assailants coming at you frontally, from the side, behind, and helping you as a woman to get out against someone like me who's big and strong and powerful so that you don't get hurt and they don't get hurt. Good to see you, Dwayne. How you doing, man? And Tanner, brother. So anyway, so this course will help you to feel awesome and powerful and give you vitality, but most importantly, make you feel like you can walk around places without feeling insecure. So, I appreciate that, brother. So, I would appreciate for those of you who know a woman who needs more confidence, who is in dangerous situations, who could also, hey, Margaret. So, Margaret is someone who has excitedly expressed interest in coming to this upcoming workshop. Margaret, I'm talking about the self-defense workshop. So so last but not least, so again, someone who needs it, someone who's insecure, someone who is a smaller person who doesn't have the presence, may not have the training, I would encourage that they be someone that you reach out to feel this confidence. And let's take a moment to express that. Have you met someone that when they walk into the room, you feel their presence versus someone who enters a party or gathering and they literally are, hey Margaret, they are literally a wallflower. I'm not sure what they use. I'm in Trinidad, but a wallflower is what they use in the States for someone who is just a non-existent. You wouldn't even know they're there. I want to make you have presence. And I want you to feel when you enter a place that it's you entering there and welcome to my world as they get to have your experience. That's what my goal is for those who participate in the workshop. I want you to feel awesome. I want you to feel powerful, and I want you to know that the habits you instill and the way you present yourself can change how others feel about you and make you a victim versus a victor. So for those of you who are coming, awesome. I will see you on the 30th. And again, it is sold out. So if you're watching this and the 30th is something that you wanted, great. Come to the 14th. It's about half full, or half. We have spots for about half as many people. Please register and pay ASAP. Otherwise, I can't promise spots. So I would love to see you. Have an amazing rest of your night. Thank you for being you. Thank you for the opportunity for me to help you feel more awesome than you already are, because you are awesome. So stay awesome. Have an incredible night, and thank you for your time. Bye-bye.